Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up and use Divi's essential features, helping you design your WordPress site with confidence. The link to try Divi from Elegant Themes is in the description below. Click that link to visit their website and explore it for a great price. Divi is a highly popular WordPress theme and visual page builder, known for its versatility and user-friendly features. With a vast collection of professional templates, countless customizable website elements, and full design flexibility, Divi simplifies the process of building websites. You can create nearly anything without needing to write any code. Before getting started, make sure you have a WordPress website set up. Once your site is ready, log into your WordPress dashboard. In the dashboard, go to Appearance and select Themes. You'll see the active default WordPress theme. Next, download the Divi theme from Elegant Themes. Click the link in the description to access the Elegant Themes website. Once there, navigate to Unlock the Power of Divi and click Join Today. Choose between a yearly or lifetime license. You also have a 30-day risk-free trial with a refund option. Purchase the theme and download the Divi zip file from your Elegant Themes account. Back in WordPress, click Add New in the Themes section, then Upload Theme. Select the Divi zip file and click Install Now. Once installed, activate the Divi theme. Congratulations, Divi is now active on your website. To start building, go to the WordPress dashboard, click Pages, and then Add New. Name your new page, such as Home, and click Use Divi Builder. You'll see three options: Build from scratch, use a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. For beginners, I recommend starting with a pre-made layout. Click Browse Layouts. Choose a category like Business and explore the templates. Select a template you like, then click Use this layout. Log in with your Elegant Themes username and API key, then submit. Your chosen template will load and you're ready to customize it. Divi's structure consists of sections, rows, and modules. Sections are the building blocks, rows divide sections into columns, and modules are the elements within rows, such as text, images, or buttons. To edit a module, hover over it and click the gear icon. You can change text, images, colors, and formatting directly in the visual editor. To adjust a row or section, click the settings icon for options like background colors, gradients, or adding new rows and columns. Divi's responsive design ensures your site looks great on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. To save changes, click Save Draft. When you're satisfied, click Publish. You can repeat this process to create other pages, such as an About or Contact page. Once your pages are ready, upload your logo by going to Divi in the dashboard, then Theme Options. After uploading, adjust the size by navigating to Appearance and then Customize. That's how you set up and use Divi to create a beautiful WordPress website. Remember to check out the link in the description to try Divi's Elegant Themes for a great price.